Hi. Today, we will see an interesting thing regarding JSON strings. You know how the JSON strings are. They have data in key-value pairs. Sometimes, the value itself could be an object, having further nested key-value pairs in it. Or, the value could be an array having multiple data members in it. For example, look at this JSON file that I have. It is long, huge. If I scroll down all the way, the string is 141 lines long. Not only is it long, but it is also complex. For example, see here. There is a key called university. The value of the key is an object having many key-value pairs of data in it. So here we have name, key and National Institute of Technology as its value. Then we have the location, key. This key again has an object as its value. This object further has its own key-value paired data. Like, city is the key, and Mumbai is the value. And so on. So a JSON string could get a lot complex and big in size. And it becomes extremely difficult for a developer to understand and visualize the JSON in their mind. So, we have a solution. There is an amazing vscode extension to visualize the JSON strings. Open vscode. Click the Extensions option. Search for JSON Crack. And click this one. Here you will see an Install button. Click it. I have already installed it. Once the extension is installed, open your JSON file. Now, you will see such an option with JC letters written on it. Click it. OK. Now we see our entire JSON into a flow chart, a graph kind of visual. Zoom a little. I can see the very first key, that is, university, written. It has multiple branches coming out of it. The number of branches is mentioned as 7. So, a total of 7 branches originate from the university key. Then we see further branches originating from those earlier branches. And now we can clearly visualize how this entire JSON has spread out. If you want to hide or turn off some branch, to avoid the crowd on the graph, just click this link icon. And the further branches get hidden. So, you can turn on and off branches as you go on understanding the flow. I think this is a great tool and thought of sharing it with you all. I hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching.